there, boo. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig from start to finish. Literally how I got my curls. I showed you how exactly I curled and just got everything done. So if you'd like to see what I did, stay tuned. But before I get started, this wig is from West Kiss Hair. So West Kiss Hair sent me their 13x6 body wave 200 density lace frontal wig unit. It is a HD lace unit, so I just love that. For me, the lace was super duper thin and super easy to work with, and this hair is super thick, bouncy, and full of life. So if you'd like to see how exactly I styled my hair, just keep on watching. If you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, so definitely go ahead and check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. So getting into these curls, I curl with my Kenra working spray in the number 14 and my Hot Tools curling iron. It is in the 1 1/4 barrel. So I just pretty much curl backwards from each side. So if the wig was on my head, I would be curling away from my face on both sides. Pinning all these sections back, I'm gonna cut the lace off. I'm gonna be working in a jagged motion, and that helps to prevent lace flashback. When you cut your lace straight, you notice there's always that white cast, but when you cut it jagged, trust me, it's definitely a game changer. So I'm gonna keep cutting and cutting the lace off, but in a jagged motion. Don't forget, cut it crazy and you won't go wrong. So just keep on cutting. So I'm gonna be going in with about 4 layers of glue. Yes, girls. So all you need to do is just create them glue dots. As soon as you're done putting on a layer of glue, you do not want it to dry down all the way. So once you're done with creating a layer of glue, fan it a little bit and then just get into working in some more layers of glue. 4 is what I'll be using today. Listen, one thing about me is I'm gonna spend some time on my baby hairs. It doesn't matter if you take 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you make sure them baby hairs are perfected, because this is literally the icing to the cake. It literally just enhances your lace so much. Baby hairs can make or break a look. Trust me, I've been there. I've been doing baby hairs for a long periodically time, basically all my life. So once you get the gist of it on doing it on a wig, it won't take you that long, but just keep working on your baby hairs. It looks like a short amount of time here because I've been doing this for a while, but just keep working on it until you get it perfect. So this is the end result of my hair. I love it so much. West Kids, you did that. Like, look at this lace, y'all. So in love with this style. I most definitely would like to say thank you so much to West Kids for sending me this gorgeous wig. This wig is actually a 13x6 HD lace frontal unit. It is in 26 inches and it is 200 density. So this hair is a lot of hair, y'all. I am so happy about how my hair turned out. It is gorgeous and to die for. So if you'd like to buy this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So far so good. I have not been receiving too much shedding or any noticeable shedding, other than when I literally just, you know, layer my hair and stuff. Then I'll get, you know, the hair that I actually cut off. But as it relates to shedding, I am not really seeing anything of the sort. So I will keep you guys updated, and yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. Leave it in the comment section below, and definitely check out this hair from West Kids Hair. This wig is super duper bomb, and yeah, I think I'm finished. So thank you again so much for watching. Thank you, West Kids, for sending this gorgeous unit. Definitely check it out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.